Well, it says you're at Brick. Whatever that he's got inside his house there, inside his stuff. He said that'd be sweet if you could put some of that up, but he said he paid $30 a sheet for it. And he said he ain't doing it. He don't even want to try $30 a sheet.
Giveaways are available in a wide array of styles for just $50 each.
For the same price, you can light $50 on fire.
If you're interested to see, you say, don't leave me out. Order today.
And they work for small dogs, too. Hey, what happened to your hair?
We all love homemade soups and sauces, but who wants to stand in front of the stove for hours stirring?
By Anthony Sullivan here for RoboStud. It does, so you don't have to. Way to take all purpose out of a woman's life.
I wouldn't care how long it's going to start. What if it's ready by 5:30?
The RoboStud drops into any pot or pan. With the touch of a button, it automatically starts to stir.
I like stirring the old-fashioned way, using kids.
Now they still sell those.
You need something to stir your drink for you. Oh, it's not for alcohol beverages?
Yeah, but I agree with that color. I feel like stirring the old-fashioned way. Use the kids.
You know, the sauce is amazing, Marcy. What's your secret?
Robot? Dance for me. Dance,
Yeah.
my little robot. Dance! This is how the robots take over.